Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to Money Mondays. Okay, so this is a new segment that I'm going to be implementing on my channel where we can talk and learn how to build financial security, accomplish our entrepreneurial goals, and leave a legacy for our children's children. All right, so today we are going to get into it and talk about how to build your credit from 0 to 750 and above, basically from no credit to good credit. All right, so number one, the very first thing you're going to need to do is, it goes without saying, apply for a credit card. Now, it may sound simple enough, but I want to be a little bit more specific. You need to apply for a secured credit card. Now, what a secured credit card is, it's basically like you're buying a credit card, essentially. So most banks have a minimum that you would need to pay down in order to have a secured credit card. It can be anywhere between 200, 500. Most times the highest they'll give you is about 500. So essentially what it is that you are giving them $500 of your cash money for $500 credit limit. So you might think, but it's my money, so why do I have to pay them back? Well, you're paying for the opportunity to build credit. And the good thing about that is, if you decide to close that secured credit card, they refund you your money. So you're basically not losing that money at all. It's just giving you opportunity.
Oh,
I suggest you start at the minimum amount. You don't want to go too high and then end up in problems, okay? Now, the card that I would like to recommend for that, now, complete disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. Everything I say or share with you guys in these Money Mondays are tips that have helped me and my family grow and thrive, coming from a immigrant family background, not having any type of credit history and stuff. We were able to do certain things at a super fast rate, so I'm sharing those tips with you guys. So everything I'm sharing with you guys has been tested and proven on me and my family. So the card that I would like to recommend is the Capital One Secure card. Now, that's the card that we used. It's super easy to get. Their minimum balance, or their cap for opening a secured card, is $500. Sometimes they have different promotions and stuff where you can actually give them $100 and you get $500 as a secured credit line. Now, the reason why I recommend the Capital One secured credit card, their credit reporting system is super fast, but they also have an in-app credit monitoring system, so you can basically monitor your own credit score without impacting said score. And their customer service is bomb.com.
please stand by. Story time to follow.
You know how many times people tried to try me and charge stuff to my card, and I was like, beep, boop, bop, bop, bop. No, that wasn't me, honey. And Capital One was like, bet. Now, the second step that you're going to need to take in building your credit from nada to bueno is basically use the card. Now, it sounds simple, but it's really not. Don't go on a spending spree thinking, oh, I got my credit card, they give me a month to pay, let me go rack it up. No, don't do that. Don't do that, sis. I'm gonna give you some tips on exactly how to use your card in an effective way to get your credit score to a minimum of 702 within 3 months, okay? So the first step is, of course, use your card. Anywhere and everywhere regular credit cards are accepted, especially for things like groceries, gas, any type of small to moderate type bill. Just make sure you do not meet the max of your credit limit. So if your credit limit is 500, please don't spend $500 in one day on that card. Don't do that, okay? And the key to being successful with this is spending only what you can afford. Basically, if you're about to buy something and you don't have that money in the bank right now and you can pay cash for it right now, don't spend it on your card. Think of it as, okay, I want to buy these Nikes. I'm going to save the money in the bank for it, but I'm going to use my credit card to purchase it. Why? Because as soon as you get home after you make that charge, you're going to pay that balance off. Yes, we're not waiting a month, even though you have about a 28-day billing cycle. We're not waiting for that whole 28-day billing cycle. You want to pay it off immediately, max within 2 days. So don't spend money you don't have, okay? So why do we want to do it like that? Why do we want to charge the card and then pay it off right away? Well, number one, that establishes you as a responsible borrower, okay? And second of all, which is most important, your balance will not incur an interest. Now, if you know how credit cards work, you purchase something, say for example, $20, they have an interest rate of, I don't know, say 10%, which is 10% of 20 is $2. So you purchase something for $20, but at the end of the month, you're basically giving them back $22. So we don't want to give nobody no extra, okay? I can buy something with that $2. So when you pay it off quickly, you slide past that interest. Also, doing this will help you establish a good credit score faster because you're not allowing any leeway or any time for anything to negatively impact that card and your score. And like I said before, never ever 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 never ever and never ever 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 max out that card. So those are my 2 tips. Now, if you follow these tips that I just gave you in this video, you're guaranteed to get a score at least a 702 within the first 1 to 2 credit reporting cycles. Second benefit is with your score and you gaining a presence in the credit arena, other credit card companies will start to notice that, hey, this person, she's been paying her bills. Let's send her some cards. So they are going to go ahead and start sending you cards. Now it's up to you which cards you want to accept and not accept. You can do research on which cards are good, which cards are bad. But in my experience, it doesn't really matter what card you get as long as you stick to the principles I just laid out in this video. And when you do start receiving cards from other companies, which are unsecured credit cards, which are regular schmegular credit cards, if you continue this method of purchasing only what you can afford and paying off within 2 days, it doesn't matter what their interest rate is. It doesn't matter. None of that will matter. Your credit score will be going up and up and up and up, and you will be set to pursue whatever goal it is that you want to pursue or for your reason of having credit and stuff like that. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and of course, turn on your notification bells so you'll never miss another video. And if you like this Money Mondays thing, girl, if it's giving you some knowledge, go ahead and drop a comment in the box down below saying got it. Thank you so much once again for watching. Until next time, guys, bye bye.